What's up, everybody? I'm Albie13. Okay, I wanted to bring you in here, early preview to the world here. I just finished putting together the beginnings of a chip design FPGA visual designer builder. I saw some stuff out there. I don't know how to use any of that stuff. Not everything is free. I just started putting something together. Maybe somebody else will like this. I'm doing this for free. I'm releasing this to the public. Anyone can do it. Anyone can make their own version of this program or improve it for the main, program. I would like to make this better, but let me go ahead and just show you what you can do. So we have basic control function. You can scroll in and out with the scroll wheel, and you can move around by grabbing the grid, okay, the project area. So we're gonna go ahead and add a CPU here, a old processor. I'm gonna go ahead and put in the Z80. And I think it's 10 and 10 for 20 pins. This is really early on this program, but you set the pins and it doubles it. And the configuration should be top and bottom. Then that produces something like what that looks like. It's the 80. So we look at that, and so we have it creating our pins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 and 10, that's 20. So we have a Z80 CPU that you can put on the breadboard here. You can put it wherever you want. This is the concept, okay? So this is a visual editor to make your motherboard, okay? So you can put your components, and then the next thing would be for the FPGA field gate programmable array to actually use your components in that configuration and run it and do the thing. So we're going to go ahead and add in our RAM, which I don't know that much about all this stuff, but I believe I should have it pulled up here somewhere. Can't find it. This one. Okay, so the 41256 is the 64 kilobytes of RAM. You need RAM and ROM, but I'm going to go ahead and drop this in, and then there's 8 pins on each side for 16 pins. I think that's accurate as well. And we're going to make this, how that needs to be set up. We're going to use the top to bottom, and we're going to rotate it. Okay, so we drop in our new RAM right here, our memory. Now, I don't like that it's the same size. I want to be able to size these things, but right now I cannot. But at least you can see that, and what we can do is rotate mode. This does sometimes work in some ways. Okay, so we got rotate mode. Okay, we got the RAM. I want to put it the other way because I want the text to be the other way. That's pretty much it. Okay, so I go out of edit rotate mode. So now we have our RAM. You're gonna actually have I think it's 4 or 8 of them or whatever. Okay, but anyway, let's drop in another one. Okay, so we'll do our DRAM here, and then we'll say that's 8 pins top and bottom again. And if you do left and right, it just puts the pins on the left and right side. That's all that does, the difference. But anyway, I'm making this thing, trying to make it make sense. So we go ahead and rotate this. You can see that there's no logic for not being... You can lay things on top of each other, which is fine, I guess, because, you can do whatever you want. I'm not going to limit that necessarily. I'm more concerned about the connections. So we got our CPU and our RAM, and we're going to add connections now. So this is not really finalized at all, but pin 1 to pin 1, okay? Then I'm going to add another connection pin. It's not really pins. It's actually just connecting the chips right now, okay? But there we go, okay? So I think the program is basically treating this as, chip connections, not actual wire connections. So that's kind of what we're looking at. But the cool thing about this is where we're at. We're out of rotate mode, okay? So we can actually move the location of the chips, and our connections mostly stay. They should stay, no matter where you put the configuration. So you can redesign this. Design is how you like. I don't like that the wires go over. I would like to fix that up, but you know, there's a limit to what I can program. So this is kind of cool. So we're gonna go ahead and just put RAM like this, and then like this, okay, and then you have more, and then you have something that looks like a thing. Now you can undo your actions. So here's the connection that gets undone, and then the last thing we did was, I think we added the chip. So if I hit undo, oh, I did the other connection, that's right, and then the chip. Or I can go back the other way and put the chip, then connection 1, connection 2. So we have that working. We have the zoom function working, obviously, very well. And then the way this is supposed to work is you can save a picture of all of this, hitting the save button and doing test, and then hitting save. I don't know if that's working or not, because I'm in a virtual environment right here. And then we have a quit button, which does what you imagine, it quits. So anyway, that's a preview of the program. Thanks for watching. Try not to make it too long. I'm gonna post the GitHub. I'm gonna make the GitHub for this and put it in the description. Today I'm gonna put this program up. I want somebody to help me further this program. I like Python. This is programmed in 100% Python, and I am learning FPGA. So I'd like to be able to create my own, whatever you want to call them, schematics, wiring. You know, I know electrical stuff, but I can't know everything to the max. So hopefully I will find somebody who is into this and can help me. So see you guys next time. I hope you like that. Peace. Make sure you're subscribed if you're not subscribed. Follow my Twitter if you're not following my Twitter. We're at almost 750 subscribers out of 1,000, so we're cooking. And we're trying not to get cooked.